So now, what else we can say? Um, df, you have this. Now we can control enter, shift enter, and you can see the index of max multi-current salary is 8. It is on 8, so that is the highest. So when you look at from our big data, you can see it's here chemical engineering, which we confirmed as biggest or as the highest salary. So now this is how you can make it more clean when you want to include some information, then you give what you want. You can use dictionary. These are dictionaries, and this is actually this part is called the key, and the other one is called the value. So another thing that I want us to discuss about is how to get the series or data series. So data series is whereby you are getting all the columns from particular row. Let's see how you can get it. So first, you can identify which column we want, which row we want their columns. For example, let's see, we saw education was the most lowly payable, which is this one. So this one, we want this IT, and we want something about education, then something about starting salary, mean their salary, all these columns. So we take a particular row and all columns are displayed. So that we are calling it this data series. And let's do it next time.